All right, day 3. Been a good day, got a lot done. And now the subframe is completely removed. Came out without too much of a fight. I'm really happy with what I'm finding under here. Good condition underneath. This has been reinforced. That was done by Castle Performance when they converted the car, and they did a proper job not only of applying the reinforcements on all 4 points, but they did a great job of then sealing and coating the underframe to protect it from corrosion. Things are in pretty good shape. There's some greasy stalagmites there. I'll have plenty to clean. That differential was weeping quite a bit. The brake lines, still too early to tell. They mostly look okay, but I got to give them a closer look to see if they're going to stand up and can be recoated. So over here at the front of the shop, I've got my new system in waiting, ready to go on the car. And this is the one we just dropped out of there today. And some helping hands from that for that process. That thing you're looking at weighs about 300 pounds, maybe 200, I don't know. It was heavy. 2 of us would barely lift it. But we got that done. So day 3 is a wrap. I'm pretty happy with the progress.